Hello. So today we are going to review the time. So we ask the time telling what time is it or what's the time. As we know, this part of the word is past and this other part of the word is to. So, for example, what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. And now, for example, what time is it? Okay, so now it is 2:15. And now, what time is it? It is 5:30. What about now? What's the time? Look, what's the time? Now it is 7:45. So now we are ready to learn the routines. Look, every morning I wake up. Then I get up. I have a shower and I get dressed. Every morning, todas las mañanas, yo me despierto, wake up, I get up, me levanto, I have a shower, me ducho, I get dressed, me visto, and I have breakfast y desayuno. After that, después de eso, I brush my teeth, me lavo los dientes, and I go to the school. Desayuno, me lavo los dientes y me voy al colegio. Then I go home, I have lunch, and I do my homework. Finally, I have dinner, I wash the dishes, I go to bed, and I go to sleep. Okay, let's practice. What's that? Do you remember? What time is it? Okay, so I wake up at 8 o'clock. Let's see this one. What's that? Do you remember? And here, what's the time? So I do my homework at 5:30. 5:30. Let's see these two, okay? Okay, so do you remember what's that? And here, what's the time? I go to the school at 7:45. What about this one? This is a difficult one. And what time is it here? Well done. So I brush my teeth at 10:15. Look. I go to the school at 9:15 and I brush my teeth at 10:15.